The overall system is completed by the 44 HD SDI OR matrix, which expands the system by the functional range of an integrated operating theatre. It allows images to be distributed from one or more operating theatre camera systems to various diagnosis, monitoring or operation monitors operated in parallel or individually, the combined use with documentation systems, and the real-time transmission of the operation via a local area network. In the initial state of the OR matrix, the signal 1 of the endoscopy camera is automatically set to monitors ABC and the stream function is deactivated. The OR matrix allows various image sources to be included in the system, for example endoscopic cameras, operating theatre light camera and operating theatre ambience camera systems, or additional camera systems, for example flexible video endoscopes, and to distribute them to the monitors connected to the system, for example ceiling lights or operating theatre lamps. This allows the surgeon and the entire team an ergonomic way of working in the operating theatre and ensures that all images required for the operation are available. The OR matrix is therefore the key component for operating theatres which are fitted with ceiling-fitted satellite swivel arms and optimized for good user ergonomics with monitors individually assigned to the operator and assistant. The functional range is rounded off by the implemented streaming function to carry out tele-teaching and teleconsulting. For the training of students, operations can be transmitted live to connected auditoriums, for instance. How does that work? After selecting the image source to be transmitted, for example the endoscopy camera, and activating the network stream key, the selected video stream is available in the network and can be viewed and called up from various places in the hospital network, for example in the outpatient department, or in the auditorium, in conference rooms, and so on. By activating the network stream from the operating theatre, it's possible for authorized users to access the OR matrix and the video signal provided by the operating theatre with the stream client supplied after the approval of the operating team. By entering the PIN code, which can be changed individually, it's possible to use the device's remote control function and to make a selection of the image sources available. For example, Image 1, endoscopy camera. Up to 4 operating theatres fitted with the OR matrix can be monitored simultaneously. It's the ideal component for training, for instance in universities, or for the intra-operational consultation of specialists and chief physicians. They can now, without having to be personally present in the operating theatre, log into the operating theatre directly from their current workplace, for example the head physician's office, or from the outpatient department, get an update of the status of the operation, and provide corresponding recommendations or instructions for the continuation of the operation. By actuating the network key once, the broadcasting in the network stream is automatically blocked, and access to the operating theatre by unauthorized persons is thus prevented. The integrated safety concept of the OR Matrix HD ensures that the operating theatre team is always informed of the operations broadcast in the LAN. As such, for instance, after switching an input signal, for example routing the operating theatre ambience camera to monitor B, after about 5 seconds the device is automatically switched back to the input key assigned to the live stream. The overall system is a closed unit that's supplemented and rounded off in line with the needs of an endoscopic operating theatre and through integrated components for teleconsultation and documentation.